With the clear coat on the body now curing for a couple of days, I moved on to the interior. Firstly, all the parts were removed from the sprues, cleaned up a bit, and some could be glued together, like the two-piece exhaust that needed to be one piece anyway, so that was all glued. Then moved on to primer, and then I could apply various different colors, starting with the main chassis itself. That got painted on the inside with the same color as the body, and the outside or the underside got painted with a textured black to simulate a undercoated look. After the textured black had got enough time to dry, I moved on to masking the engine bay up quickly and then started painting the engine in a silver color. With all of the airbrush work out of the way, I moved on to some brush painting, starting on the centers of the calipers, which got painted with a flat black. It doesn't really look that good now, but with the photo etch pieces added later, it should look totally fine. And I also painted the axles in some black as well. Then started detailing the engine, adding some gold and also some gunmetal, and giving it a bit more depth and a weathered look with some Panelline accent color. With all of the parts and pieces now painted, I could start assembly just using some regular super glue from Bob Smith Industries. So as mentioned, the black center alone looked a bit weird, so I applied a photo etch piece from the transkit that came from Scaleproduction, and I also painted the backside in silver to hide it a bit more, and could then do some more assembly. Just like the rear calipers, the fronts also got painted with a black center, and then the rear got painted silver, and then the photo etch piece could be glued on top of it. Later on in the next video, I will be weathering these discs a bit, as they do look a bit too clean. And that's pretty much it for the chassis. Now I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. In the next one it will be a similar length, but I will be tackling the interior, and then after that I will be finishing the build off in the final video.